Miguel. Cooking with Miguel. Hi, and welcome to this episode of Cooking with Miguel on Como Miguel. Today I am gonna make cronuts and biscuit donuts. What I've done for these cronuts is take croissants and roll them out flat, and now I'm going to punch them into a round shape like this. And punch a hole out of the middle, like this. Now I'm going to do flaky biscuits instead of croissants. Basically, I'm gonna flour this so they don't stick. Like that there, and flip it, and then take the hole out like that. This is the third kind, and this is just biscuit donuts. It's regular biscuits, and you are going to... It's regular biscuits, and you basically do the exact same process. Powder each side, and then cut the holes. We preheated our oil to 350, and now we're going to throw our donut holes in first. And let those cook, and flip them to each side. Try not to splash. That's a pro tip. Now I'm going to put the donut holes into this bag with powdered sugar and shake them. Kind of hot. That's not a pro tip. Shake it, shake it, baby, shake it. Shake it, baby, shake it. Shake it, baby, shake it. And these cooked up fast, so I'm going to take them out. Do you think they're done? I think they look decent. No. Oh! Careful. This is done. That's it. These are the flaky biscuit cronuts, and now I'm going to fry those too. These actually came out looking a lot like actual store-bought donuts, so hopefully they cooked beautifully and look awesome. And these are the biscuit donuts, and I'm going to cook them for about 45 to 55 seconds on each side. Now I'm just frosting these and going to put sprinkles and make them beautiful so that people can also enjoy looking at them while they enjoy eating them. And these are what my delicious donuts look like. Oh my god. Yummy. That is good. To make an easy frosting, do like I did on the donut holes and cover your donuts in powdered sugar. When it mixes with your spit in your mouth, it'll create its own frosting. That's a pro tip.